How do you remove the blue light from your Android phone? Let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the blue light is like a natural part of the display, but some people prefer to turn it off or to remove the blue light before going to bed or late at night, and that is of course very useful. It is a standard feature across multiple different platforms. So the way I personally like to use it is by downloading this blue light filter app from the Play Store. It is free to get. And once you set it up, it might ask you to give it permission to change some of the settings. So you have to do that. But once you are inside of the application, you can just enable it and disable it. But not only that, you can also change the temperature, right? So some people prefer more blue light to be filtered. Therefore, the screen will be more yellow. So this is up to you. You can also play around with the intensity. So as I say, there are plenty of ways how you can do this, and yeah, it kind of just gets the job done if you want it to. So yeah, me personally, I don't really have the scheduling in place, but I guess that wouldn't be that bad of an idea, right? So you can also set that up if you wanted to. Scheduling might be a good way to make sure it always happens, so you don't have to manually think about it. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up for yourself. Most definitely subscribe for the next quick tips and videos like this one, because I have so many of them coming up and already existing on the channel. So yeah, I hope you are going to find some value in here on Foxtecc. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.